Big oil companies asking a judge to throw out a New York City lawsuit. That lawsuit wants money from the oil companies for property damage and extreme weather. The city wants big oil accountable for climate change. Joining me now, Ken Paxton, the Attorney General of the great state of Texas. Mr. Attorney General, I think you're on the oil companies' side. Do you think that this lawsuit should have been brought in the first place?
No, I think it's frivolous. It's ridiculous for local cities to use nuisance laws to try to override federal law. The U.S. Supreme Court has already addressed this issue in 2011. It was a unanimous decision saying that basically district courts can't address damages as it relates to climate change.
It's the politicization of the legal system, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Look, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not an attorney general, I don't know much about these things, but it just reeks of politics.
It absolutely is. It's also an attempt by cities to fill their coffers, and they're doing it in a way that I think is absolutely illegal, and it impacts energy policy across the country. So we don't need San Francisco and New York impacting energy policy for Texas, and obviously we care about this.
Do you think you've got a strong case to have this thing thrown out?
Absolutely. I think the Supreme Court's already addressed this. I think they're trying to nuance this one with their little nuisance argument, but I think, again, if we get to the Supreme Court, I think we'll win this one again.
I just want to read this for our viewers, Mr. Attorney General. That we've got some breaking news on that Inspector General report. Bloomberg reports that former FBI Director Comey, quote, deviated from FBI and Department of Justice procedure in his handling of the Clinton email probe. If he deviated from normal work within the FBI procedure
yeah, standards, yeah.
What does that mean, Mr. Paxton? What's the significance of that?
So it's a problem. You know, if you're an elected official, you shouldn't be treated any better or any worse because you're elected. The reason that you have procedures and policies is to make sure this doesn't happen. It is what protects the FBI. It's what gives them credibility. So if you step outside of those procedures for somebody that's elected to treat them better or worse, then it brings, you reduce your credibility as a law enforcement agency.
But the key question is whether or not he did it for political reasons. Did he do it to support Hillary Clinton and cover up for her? That's the question, isn't it?
Well, it absolutely is the question. It's one that it's hard to know somebody's intentions, but when you go outside of your procedures, especially in a case like this, it does create the question, and since he's the only one that can really answer that, I think people are going to speculate and wonder if he did it to help Hillary Clinton.
So we're still speculating and questioning. It doesn't carry us that much further, really, does it?
No, I mean, it's unfortunate that he did this because now we have questions, and he's the only one that can really know why he did it. But, you know, we're all going to wonder and think that he did it for political reasons. All
right, now, we haven't read that report yet. It comes out, released to the general public at 3 o'clock this afternoon. We'll go through it line by line at that point. Mr. Attorney General, I do want to ask you about Apple. It's going to close that loophole that could be exploited by police and authorities to expose data without a user's permission. They're going to stop the cops from being allowed to crack into an iPhone. What do you make of that?
Well, so, you know, there's obviously some privacy issues here. There's law enforcement issues here. I think this is something our legislatures are going to have to address and balance out personal privacy issues with the need to know for law enforcement and for public safety.
Do you think that Apple operates in the public interest in this issue, in this case?
You know, I have my questions. I certainly think we need to look more at what Apple's doing. We need to look at what a lot of these technology companies are doing as it relates to our personal information, and then balance it with certainly with public safety issues.
All right, Ken Paxton, the Attorney General of the great state of Texas. I always say that, the great state of Texas. I do that. Ken, thanks for joining us, sir. We appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Sure.